Driving position. Finding the ideal driving position on board the Alpine A110 is a quick and easy process. The seatbelt bucket seats can be moved forwards or backward by releasing the front lever. To adjust the height of the bucket seat to one of the 3 preset heights, refer to your Alpine representative, who will help you identify the best setting. The comfort seats can also be moved forwards or backwards by releasing the handle beneath the seat base. To tilt the seat back, turn the start wheel until the desired position is reached. Lastly, to raise or lower the seat, move this lever up or down. In addition, the ergonomic 3-spoke sport steering wheel can be adjusted in 2 planes. Release the lever fitted underneath the steering column to adjust the height, then the depth. This will provide the optimum position for pleasure, comfort, and safety.